Mayor,
Teka lang.
gusto ko yung, yung experience po dito sa hearing. Ano pong masasabi niyo po sa mga, ano po yung parang, what were you expecting po kayo sa hearing po?
Actually, we had no expectations whatsoever. We're just happy that we have the opportunity to express and show what happened. That what they're talking about here is not unusual. We know where she came from. She was in Cebu. She is vicious. Don't let karma's tears fool you. She's more dangerous than Napoles. What the PCSO has lost, 80 billion pesos, is more than what Napoles stole, is more than what Farmery stole. You add all of that together. That's what PCSO. It's done it very quietly with the support of Duterte.
Oh, Mayor, is that the PCSO stuff that you are supposed to say earlier? The PCSO report that you are supposed to share to the committee earlier?
Yeah, I will release the report. Release the report. Get the folder.
So Mayor, for background lang po, did you order an investigation po ba to find out this PCSO?
No, there was no. It was done internally by PCSO before Garma, and when he was applying to be police chief of Cebu, somebody gave it to me. Here.
Pakitaas lang, sir.
Pakitaas.
It says here, it's a lengthy report. It's not only one person, no? There's so many names here. It's done by someone in PCSO, and it mentions here. When she was Bohol province, it identified Police Sergeant Garma of receiving payola from illegal gambling operations financiers in the amount of 1 million pesos every week. That's only in Bohol. What more Cebu?
Sir, sino po nagbigay sa inyo ng document?
Sino po nabigay sa inyo ng report?
Who gave you,
Never
sir?
mind.
But sir, may we know who signed? May we know, sir, who's the signatory in the report?
This year lang po, last year.
No, this was before she was even appointed as police chief in Cebu. That's why I didn't like her. I didn't endorse her. Under the local government code, you need the approval and the clearance of the city mayor. Duterte just put her there, whether I like it or not.
Sir, did you try to give that report to the DILG in your
I talked to the
opposition?
president personally.
And what did he say, sir?
Tell everything to Bongo. I gave all the reports to Bongo. He was there. And Bongo didn't do anything.
Sir, sa tingin niyo po ba may kasalanan si Bongo kaya na-appoint si
Let him
Garma?
answer that. Let him answer that.
When did this happen, sir? Well, what year?
What year was that?
Is it 2018, sir?
2019, early 2019.
Early 2019.
Early 2019.
Sir, you mentioned na yung woman talaga yung dahilan at hindi naman politika kaya po mainit sa inyo si Presidente.
That's why I personally talked to the president, tried to get his attention to complain about it. And he said, he just talked to Bongo here. And Sal Panela was there also. And I also complained that if we gave information to Sal Panelo and evidence to Sal Panelo, and he did nothing. I was only suspended last year. That's a few months ago. I'm no longer mayor. All of a sudden, this comes out. You know, you want the story? I was having dinner with a very prominent businessman, John Gokongwei. I was hosting dinner. He was going to open up new projects. I get a phone call because my cell phone is on Facebook, and there's 3 vendors that tell me policemen are trying to extort money, and they were selling this butane gas, recycled gas, for 20 pesos, and it's illegal now. I said, this is ridiculous. I said, oh yeah, we're all here in jail. Why are you in jail? What for? So I went to after I left, I went to the police station, and I talked to the commander. I said, who's in charge? I said, I'm putting them under my custody. Which means I'm responsible for them. I'm not releasing them. I'm putting them under my custody. I told them, you just go home and take care of this. Suspended. 1 year salary, 1 year suspended. But they reversed it. You know, the decision to reverse it or came out today.
Sir, would you know if Colonel Garma did something when she was the PCSO General Manager regarding that report of yours?
I'm sorry?
Did she do something, sir? May intervention po ba siyang ginawa nung naging General Manager na siya about that report na naibigay sa inyo? Did she try to erase or
But she filed all
concede?
cases against me. I don't know.